In front of me is REALME Narzo 50 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off automatic screen rotation on this device. First of all, go into Tab menu. Now look for Auto Rotate icon, and when you find it, click on it. As you can see, mine is white. That means that auto rotation is disabled, but you can always enable it by tapping on the same icon again. If you want to, you can always go into settings instead, scroll down and choose display and brightness. Now scroll down again and tap on this switcher next to auto rotate feature to disable or enable it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!